all cleaned up, ready to go. Okay. Oh, what was I doing this one? So this is kind of like washi, but it's supposed to be, yeah, seems a little bit stronger. So let's see. I think I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? Oh, no, I don't, I have, you can't look in there. My son was getting crafty and we haven't cleaned it off yet. All right, so we're gonna use this. And I'm gonna put this down. Hopefully, I should just do a couple, right? Right, see if it works first. And then I'm just gonna do a little of this. Right, that should kind of tone the white down just a little bit. And then, how about we do some stamping? Got some archival, and this is a Tim Holtz stamp that I just keep on my desk. And I just love it. So we'll just do a little bit. Stamping like that. Because you're really not going to see much, right? Kind of smudged. Let that dry for a minute and find our page. Yeah, see how it's already, this is a very, very vintage book. It came from this really cool 1946. I love this music book. Copyright 1926. Pretty cool. But it's also very fragile. So we're just gonna have Dina Wakely help us out a little bit. Over. And I think we'll add some to the back. Oh my goodness, sticking to everything but what I wanted to stick to. There we go. There we go. Okay. Pull that back. And trim it off. Oh yeah, I like that. I think that's gonna be perfect. One back in. Anyone else in this one? This one. Okay. So maybe if I could get these deer, that would be fun. So if I trim, thinking, if I trim it, I'm gonna snip where I want it. So this is a little shorter than 7, so I'll trim that after. But that'll be cute as a flip out. I think I'm gonna like that. So let's put some glue. Let me get a book to glue. Oh man, so nice. Just squeeze and it actually cooperates. Imagine. Imagine. All right. Stick this on. And then we'll do something there to kind of cover that up. Oh, I glued on his antler. Come on, glue. Let me get my little eraser doober. There we go. Okay. So I like that. And like I said, we'll do something here. Huh, maybe we could do the birds. No, I want to save that for another flip out. And we'll start with a little vintage photo and then go from there. Since this bad boy is already right here, ready to go. So I'm going to smush a little water. I think I'll just go like this a little bit. And then we're going to stick this in. Now, usually when I do this, it is gesso. And this is just a printer paper, so that's why I'm testing it out, because I'm a little nervous because the paper is so thin. So just kind of lightly, yeah, that's good. We'll let that dry, and I think that'll be okay. So we'll let those dry. I'm going to clean up, and then when we come back next time, what do we want to do? Maybe, maybe I will stitch some pages with some lace off camera, and then we'll come back and start thinking about pockets and maybe even some tags. All right, hope to see you soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.